Hey, Joe Zarzaur here for another segment of Zarzaur Law TV. We're going to talk today about the different proceedings that happen in civil lawsuits that involve the courthouse. So when you have a trial, everybody's heard of that, right? You have a trial date. Most cases don't end up at trial on the civil side of things. Most civil lawsuits end up settling. I think it's between 90 and 99% of those cases that are filed as civil lawsuits end up settling. We have a less percentage here because we try cases more than typical firms, but that number is somewhere probably closer to 85% for us. At the end of the day, though, what is the difference between a trial and a hearing? You have hearings throughout the lawsuit on different issues. It could be motions for summary judgment where the other side is trying to get the case dismissed and not go to trial. You can have motions to limit evidence in civil cases. But those motion hearings are hearings that you have on a particular topic in the case. They're not the entire case usually. They're usually a component of the case that has to be decided by the judge while it's pending. So those motion hearings on motions, happen typically in a case throughout the case. So the case is filed in 2022. The first thing you're probably going to have with the court is a hearing on some issue. The first time you see the judge, it's probably going to be a hearing on some issue. It could be a preliminary matter related to the paperwork. It's usually for us a motion to compel the defendants to respond to something that they didn't respond to in the discovery phase of the case. But hearings are different than trials in that in a hearing, the court is just dealing with a specific legal issue that has to be dealt with. And of course, the trial is the entire case being decided by a jury. So if you have questions about your civil case or a civil case or any kind of personal injury matter, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.